Hello, I'm Carol Brown, Carol V. Brown, that is, and I'm here to share something very special with you. I have a gift that is full of love that you will always be remembered for when you give it. Because this is a special gift box. I call it the Harriet Tubman Love in Action gift box. But this is not just a box or a pretty box. There's much more to it. So that's what I'm here to share with you today. Now, I have been giving this gift box away and selling them to people, and I know they're enjoying it. But I decided I needed to do something very special with it to make it more meaningful. This gift box was an idea of mine when I decided that this book, The Harriet Tubman Way, an inspirational guide to self-love, empowerment, and legendary leadership for girls, needed a special package for it. See, this book is 43 short stories about Harriet Tubman. How Harriet Tubman had to have love for herself. To me, I know all her stories. I've been portraying her for 25 years. I know that it was love that she had in her heart for herself that enabled her to know that she was worthy of being free and living a free life where she could experience life to the fullest. And she didn't just do it for herself. Harriet Tubman was so special that she had the love to extend to other people. That's what self-love does for you. And that's why I feel like it's so important that we teach our young people to love themselves, especially our girls. And that's why this book is not just a book, it's a curriculum. Each short chapter, like I just opened up to chapter 10, bless others. Each chapter has a quote from a famous African-American woman. This was Serena Williams. The success of every woman should be an inspiration to others. We should raise each other up. Make sure you're courageous. Be strong. Be extremely kind. And above all, be humble. Serena Williams. In the back of each chapter are discussion questions, like questions about Serena and her foundation. And then there's journaling prompts for the young lady to be prompted to write her thoughts about what she learned from this lesson. You see how special this curriculum is? And that's why there's also a workbook where those young people in the classroom can actually have space to write their thoughts and record what they've learned from the book. You see this book design? It's also very special. This design was by my daughter, Adia Brown. Adia also painted these beautiful pictures behind me. And she also painted this picture of Harriet Tubman on the pen and bag and t-shirt that I am Harriet Tubman. Unfortunately, we lost Adia February 2023, but she is still with us in spirit, and her art keeps her love alive. And that's what this gift box will do. When you give this gift box with your own story connected to it, when you pass your gift to the person you want to have it, share personal story. What I'm doing is offering a session with me where you can learn how to pull those stories out of yourself and vocalize the sentiments that you have with each item that's going in the gift box, so that it's not just a box to be put on a shelf and gather dust. This is a box that will remind the person who you give it to of you and your love and that you're there to support them. And that is a special gift that you're not going to find at the grocery store. There's also gratitude journal, and we know how important gratitude is. When I've been with young people and teaching gratitude and encourage them to write what they're grateful for, they might write, oh, I'm grateful for my parents, I'm grateful for my teacher. But I want you to teach them how to go deeper into what gratitude is. Other day, when I was filling my water pitcher that has a filter in it to give me this fresh, clean water that I just got from the tap, I had to think about it. You see, I had this hanging on my refrigerator. This is a calendar of young children in an orphanage in Haiti. Brittany was a young lady, lost her life in the earthquake in Haiti. Her parents, her family established this home for the young people that she went to help. She was there to help the children in Haiti. Well, when this calendar hanging on my wall, I was definitely grateful for my water. Definitely grateful for my water. You see, some children in some country have to go to a pond or a pump to get water, where I had it right here in my home. Even extra special, a pitcher to make it even purer. Now that is something to be grateful for. So when we are teaching gratitude, let's help our young people understand how grateful they actually are, how actually they should be, that is. So let's talk about the box. So it's going to be coming unassembled. And that's because it's a story behind the boxes as well. I had this thought in my mind, a beautiful box to send these books off in. And so I searched for boxes and ended up designing this box with a company in China. So when you get the box, it will probably be folded up, but not assembled. And the way you assemble it is to lift these flaps up, and it will assemble in this box. There is a magnet that will hold the box together. Now you may have to fold this a couple of times, but there it was. Now, the story behind the box is that I don't feel they put enough of the glue that's behind these little triangles. So I added a little glue when I made my box. So you'll get a little package of glue when you purchase your box. Now, that's important because I could have got I did get a little upset. But shout and holler that I had all these gift boxes and they weren't going to stick well. That's not the way you work with world, right? What you have to do is figure out how to make things work. This is a lesson to teach our young people. So I just add some glue. What else is in the box? A mirror. Love in Action mirror. Harriet Tubman, Love in Action. So that every time you look at your face, your eyes, fix the lipstick or whatever, check your eyebrows. Remember, you are beautiful inside, no matter what you look like outside. So that makeup may enhance it, but the beauty comes from the inside out. There's an ink pen that says Harriet Tubman 3LC, which is the name of my company. Harriet Tubman, Love, Leadership, and Legacy Coach. That's what I am. Here is a bracelet that comes in the box. Love in Action starts with me. So that you become part of the community of girls and women who love themselves, and that we put love into every action that we take. There's some hand cream from Dove. Now, it's not directly from Dove, but Dove has some good hand cream, and that's why I use it, because they also have some excellent videos on their website that teach empowerment and teach girls self-love and empowerment. One thing that's beautiful in the book gift box is this affirmation scarf. Affirmation are positive things that we say to ourselves. I am statements, so that you can be positive, good energy into your own mind. And that is what helps keep you happy. Don't say negative things to yourself. Let's teach our girls that. Only talk positive things into your life, and that's what you will have. Here's another item. Package a seed. Now, what is that all about? I want you to think about a beautiful flower that you have, that you love. And what kind of flower would you be? Or what kind of beautiful tree would you be if you could choose? Then look at the seed. Find it online. The seed that make that tree or that flower. You see, that just tells us that that seed is already that flower. And that flower is full of, you are everything you want to be. However, these seeds will remain dormant unless they're nourished, right? And that's where we come in to nourish our young people, help them understand what they need to learn in life and get through their troubles and triumph over all the things that they may be having come towards them that seem like a problem they may not feel like they can get through. We know they can. And we'll be here to nourish them. The seed needs water, sunshine, soil. And our young people need love and compassion and encouragement. And we're here to give them. There's also a couple of cards in there. Like this is another painting right at the end. It has a prayer on the back. This rose quartz. Rose quartz is a crystal that stimulates self-love. So the rose quartz is something that when you get it, you take it and you put it under your pillow at night. Sweet dreams, and also stimulating that self-love. Then there's a rose barrette. And this is for you to put in your hair. And then think about it. If you like flowers, you don't have to wait for someone else to buy you flowers. You can get your own. There's a story behind the rose and the rose barrette too. So I can make stories that goes with every item in this box, and you can too. So that's why I decided when you buy your gift box, you will also have an opportunity to talk to me for 30 minutes, and we together will come up with your own story of how this gift box is symbolic of your love that you're giving to the person who's receiving the gift box. And believe me, that will be very meaningful, much more meaningful than anything else you will buy at the mall for Christmas or any birthday, graduation, any holiday coming up. Because this gift box is all about love. And when you give it, encourage the young person to write their name at the top of the gift box. When they open it, they'll see, Karol, I love you. And if you write your name in here as well, they will remember that you also love them every time they open up their gift box. Thank you. I hope to be sending you your gift box soon and talking to you and learning how you will share your story with that special person. Thank you.